Welcome back to Mack Science Lab. Today, we're gonna get a little slimy. What you'll need: baking soda, Mr. Elmer's glue, contact solution. Make sure that it contains boric acid. And if you wanna get fancy, either food coloring or glitter. For these next steps, you're gonna need a bowl, but in Mack Science Lab, we don't need that. So in your bowl, or on my table, you're gonna take the contents of your glue and empty it out. Then, you're gonna take your food coloring, I chose green, and add a little bit. Then mix these together until they're combined. Next up, add a tablespoon of baking soda to your mixture and mix until it's combined. Then finally, a tablespoon of contact solution. The more you add, the thicker it'll be. If your slime isn't the way you want it, add a half tablespoon of contact solution at a time, not more than that. It took a whole bunch of mixing, but we now have our very own slime. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.
Welcome back to Mack Science Lab. Today, I'm gonna change the way you look at things. And all I'm gonna need is a glass, a napkin, and a marker. Start by filling your glass with water. Next up, take your marker and draw an arrow on the napkin. This arrow is pointing this direction, correct? Or is it? I'll catch y'all tomorrow.
Welcome back to Mack Science Lab. Today, we're gonna make your tea bags fly away. All you're gonna need is a lighter, a tea bag, and an adult, preferably a responsible one. To start, unfold your tea bag and empty out its contents. A great place to put it is actually in your garden. It makes for great compost. With your tea bag now empty, you're gonna stand it up straight and take that responsible adult and light the top.
Whoa. Wow, pretty cool, but I don't really see it flying anywhere. That's interesting.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! There it goes. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Welcome back to Mack Science Lab. After this experiment, you'll be able to blow up one of these with one of these. Just grab yourself a balloon, baking soda, vinegar, and an empty water bottle. The first step is to add about 1/4 of a cup of vinegar to your empty water bottle. Next up, take about 2 tablespoons of baking soda and put it inside your balloon. All right, the vinegar's in the bottle, the baking soda's in the balloon. Now we're gonna cover it and dump this baking soda into the bottle. Ready? Here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Very cool. Oh, even more. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Welcome back to Mack Science Lab. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, let's find out how we can make one last longer. The things you'll need, obviously an apple, a cutting board and knife to cut the apple, and a few cups. For this particular experiment, we're gonna use 6 cups, but you can use as many as you want if you can find things to fill them with. For this, we're gonna use 1 cup of water, 1 cup with water and baking soda, 1 cup with water and sugar, 1 cup with fruit punch, 1 cup with orange juice, and we're gonna use 1 cup with Diet Coke. Now take 1 slice of each of your apples and place them inside the liquids. And now we wait. We're back, and about 15 minutes has passed. So now let's take the apples out of their cups and place them on this cutting board to dry. It's been another 15 minutes and our apples have begun to oxidize, some more than others. This tells us that some solutions work better at keeping them fresher than others do. Now that I know all this, I might never need to go to the doctor. Catch y'all tomorrow. Welcome back to Mack Science Lab. I have an egg-tastic experiment for you today. All you're gonna need: white distilled vinegar, a cup, and an egg. To begin, carefully place your egg inside your cup and then take your distilled vinegar and cover the egg. Now we wait, but this time for 24 hours. We're back. 24 hours have passed and we have an egg. Let's separate the liquid and see what happened. Now we're just gonna rinse the egg off a little bit with water. The egg is all cleaned up and look how it looks. It's almost transparent. Not only is it transparent, but also has a little bit of bounce. But be careful, it is still a raw egg. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Welcome back to Mack Science Lab. I know you probably walked a dog before, but have you ever walked ice? What you'll need: a bowl, water, ice, scissors, table salt, and string. You're gonna start by taking your water and pouring it into your bowl. Next up, add your ice cubes. Then you're gonna take about 1.5 feet of string and give it a cut. Now take your string, lay it across your ice, make sure that your string gets wet, and then add some salt, and we wait. All right, so it's been a few minutes, and you lift it up, and at least one little piece of ice wanted to go for a walk. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Welcome Welcome back to Mack Science Lab. Today, let's get groovy and make a lava lamp. The things you'll need: a cup, a smaller cup, a spoon, food coloring, baking soda, vinegar, and vegetable oil. To begin, fill your cup up halfway with the vegetable oil. Next, take your smaller cup and put about 2 tablespoons of vinegar inside. Now add some flavor. Pick a color that you like the best. I'm gonna go with blue and just add some drops to your vinegar. Now into your glass of oil, you're gonna put a tablespoon of baking soda. Now, to complete your lava lamp, add the vinegar into the oil and things get funkadelic. Like folks from the 70s, lava lamps just get better with time. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Welcome back to Mack Science Lab. Today we're dealing with polymers, and all you're gonna need is some sharpened pencils, a plastic bag, and water. Now you're gonna fill up your bag with water. You can use any size bag you want. I like the biggest bag just because it's more fun. You're gonna take your pencil, close your eyes, hold your breath, and whoa, straight through. Warning though, you should do this over a sink, bathtub, or do it outside, but this is Mack Science Lab. You can do whatever you like here. Oh! I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Welcome back to Mack Science Lab. I bet you didn't know elephants needed toothpaste. Well, today, we're gonna make it. But you must wear gloves and eye protection. Now for the things you'll need. A bottle, can be any size you'd like. Hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, food coloring of your choice, a packet of yeast, and some very warm water. Take your dish soap and put a few squirts inside your bottle. Next up, take a cup of hydrogen peroxide and add it to your bottle. Swirl. Add a few squeezes of your favorite color dye. Swirl. Next up, take your packet of yeast and add it to very warm water and stir until it's dissolved. Now that everything's dissolved, add it to your original bottle. And whoa! We got elephant toothpaste. Now we just gotta find an elephant. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Welcome to Mack's Lab. Let's learn a little bit about diffusion with a little help from Skittles. The things you'll need: 1 shallow dish, 1 thing of water, and of course, your Skittles. First thing you're gonna do is arrange your Skittles on the outside of your dish with alternating colors. Next up, take some water. The hotter it gets, the faster this experiment will go. So I like to use warm water and start pouring, just halfway up the Skittle. As you can see, the colors will slowly start coming off of the Skittles and going towards the place that has the lowest amount of sugar and dye, which is the center of the circle. It's been about 5 minutes and the color has almost completely reached the center. Super cool. Science rules. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.